Modern gardening often means reaching for solutions outside our garden, buying compost, sprays, and feeds. This dependency on external inputs makes our gardens vulnerable to supply chain disruptions and rising costs. Many of these products also carry hidden environmental costs, like peat extraction and energy-intensive fertilizer production. Our gardens become consumers, not producers, in a linear system. Resources come in, waste goes out, water runs off, prunings are binned, and inedible harvest scraps are discarded, leaving our gardens in constant deficit. Nature, by contrast, wastes nothing. Everything is cycled and reused. In small spaces, this dependency is even more pronounced. Limited soil and exposure mean nutrients and water are quickly depleted. The temptation is to keep adding more, but this only deepens the cycle. Yet these small spaces offer the perfect opportunity to break free. By shifting from a linear to a circular model, we can create resilient, sustainable, and rewarding miniature ecosystems. It's about rethinking waste and seeing our gardens as producers, not just consumers. The solution isn't more inputs, it's closing the loop. Let's explore how. A closed-loop system cycles resources within the garden, turning outputs into new inputs. Nature is the ultimate model. Leaves decompose, rain cycles, nothing is wasted. In our gardens, this means reimagining waste. Kitchen scraps become compost. Rainwater is harvested. Prunings feed the soil. Every element connects, creating a cycle of regeneration. The gardener becomes a conductor, managing water, nutrients, and soil creation. This approach requires observation and thought, but the rewards are deeper understanding and resilience. Your garden becomes a living laboratory, showing the power of a balanced, self-sustaining system. Closing the loop transforms gardening from consumption to stewardship. History shows the power of closed-loop systems in times of crisis. During World War's Dig for Victory, British gardeners composted everything, saved seeds, and collected rainwater, maximizing productivity with minimal inputs. Traditional systems worldwide, like Chinese integrated pigfish pond farming, turned waste into resources, connecting livestock, aquaculture, and crops. These methods weren't just survival, they were blueprints for resilience. For most of history, sustainability was a necessity, not a trend. Past gardeners knew their soil's health depended on returning what was taken. Their resourcefulness offers vital lessons for today's challenges. Closed loops are timeless strategies for thriving in scarcity. Building a closed-loop garden means managing water, nutrients, and organic matter. Water. In containers, much is lost. Use tiered pots, so runoff waters the next with a tray at the bottom to recirculate. Nutrients. Plants remove nutrients as they grow. Composting kitchen scraps and garden trimmings returns them to the soil. A worm bin is ideal for small spaces, producing rich castings for your pots. Organic matter. Compost improves soil structure, retains moisture, and supports healthy roots and microbes. This reduces watering needs and keeps soil fertile. Energy. Arrange plants vertically. Tall sun lovers shade delicate greens below, maximizing light and space. Plant matter becomes compost, fueling the next generation. Each cycle, water, nutrients, energy, feeds the next, powered by the sun. Instead of depletion, your garden grows richer each season. Closing these loops transforms waste into abundance. Even in small spaces, these cycles create a thriving ecosystem. It's a beautiful, self-sustaining process. Closed-loop gardening cuts costs and dependency. Homemade compost, rainwater harvesting, and DIY feeds mean less buying, more creating. This independence brings resilience. Supply shortages and droughts matter less when you're self-sufficient. Healthy, compost-rich soil yields stronger, more productive plants with fewer pests and less stress. The real yield isn't just vegetables or savings. It's knowledge, connection, and satisfaction. You see value in what others discard and deepen your relationship with nature. Closing the loop nourishes both soil and spirit. It's a rewarding cycle that benefits you and the earth. You don't need a big garden or fancy tools to start. Begin with composting. Worm bins are perfect for small spaces, turning scraps into rich fertilizer and liquid feed. Collect water. Use a bucket in the shower or reuse grey water with plant-safe soap for your plants. Arrange pots so water cascades from one to another, or use saucers to catch runoff. Make your own liquid feeds from comfrey or nettles. Simple, effective, and free. Save seeds from your best plants and take cuttings to propagate new ones. Over time, you'll develop plants adapted to your unique space. Each step closes another loop, building resilience. Start small. Every action counts. Closed-loop gardening isn't about perfection or total self-sufficiency. Some external inputs, like seeds or occasional soil amendments, are still needed. Worm bins and composting require care and have limits on what they can process. Not all waste can be composted, and some nutrients will always be lost. These systems take effort and space, and trade-offs are part of the process. Celebrate progress, accept limitations, and remember, gardening is a balance between control and letting go. Every closed loop is a step towards sustainability. Closed-loop gardening is a mindset shift from consumer to participant in your food system. Small actions, composting, saving water, reusing waste, add up to meaningful change. These miniature ecosystems model a more resilient, sustainable future. Lessons learned in small gardens can scale to communities and cities. Imagine buildings designed for rainwater harvesting and neighborhood compost hubs. The journey starts with a single pot and the idea of closing a loop. Even the smallest garden can inspire hope and connection to the earth.